Open the Messenger app and tap on the menu button at the bottom right. Let's first check to see if it's in the archive. So tap on archive here, and if you see the message that is archived, all you need to do is swipe to the left and hit unarchive to be able to get it back. However, if that doesn't work for you, let's go back. And again, you're going to tap on the menu button at the bottom right. And from here, we're going to choose settings at the top. Now, we can always recover that using the Messenger built-in feature. And we're going to access it by tapping See More in Account Center at the bottom. And then tap on Your Information and Permissions. Now from here, let's choose the Export Your Information. And you'll need to log into your account. After you've done that, just tap on Create Export. And this is for Facebook. Choose the right account and then choose Export to your device. Now from here, all you need to do is customize what you're downloading. So let's tap on Customize Information. And instead of everything on here, you can go through and unselect everything except messages. So just select the messages and hit save. And now we can choose the date range, whether it's the last year or the last week, whatever you want. Keep in mind, the longer you choose, the longer it will take to get that report. Let's just choose last week in this case. Now all we need to do is hit the Start Export, and it will go through the process of exporting all that. When it's ready to go, you'll be able to hop in here and download it directly from this page.